Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about dimension and dimension formula. Before that, those who are watching my videos first time, do subscribe and like the videos and do share the videos with your friends. Dear students, in previous class I already discussed about what is meant by fundamental quantity and what is meant by derived quantity and its units. And also I discussed about significant figures. Today I am going to discuss about the concept dimension. As you all know about the dimensions. If any physical quantity is there, it has formula and it must have dimensional formula. Means a physical quantity can be expressed in terms of dimensional formula. Here, the word dimension formula or dimension represent the quantity's power. Means dimension means it is a raised power of a physical quantity. It may be length or it may be mass or it may be time. Okay, let us discuss the uh, statement. Dimension of a physical quantity are the powers. Dimension means these are the powers to which the fundamental quantities are raised to represent that quantity. This is a statement of dimension. For example, in area, let us discuss first one. Area. Here, area is the physical quantity. Okay, we have the formula. Area power area formula is length into breadth. Okay, length can be expressed as single dimension L and breadth also measured in length. Okay, two length intervals that becomes L square. L square. Okay, here 2 is the raised power of length. Okay, here length is the fundamental quantity to the raised power 2. Okay, here any physical quantity we can express in terms of length, mass, time. Okay, that is length, mass, time, LMT. We have to represent the physical quantity always in square bracket. Okay, here for considering the area. Okay, area L power is 2. Okay, there is no mass in area, so that's why M power is 0, and there is no time in area, time power is 0. Okay, here this is the dimension of area. L square M to the power 0 T to the power 0. You may write like this, or directly you may write L square, because anything to the power 0 is 1. Okay, that's why you may write like this or directly L square. Okay, next one is acceleration. This is also one of the physical quantity. The formula is velocity by time. For finding the dimension of any physical quantity, you must know the formula of that quantity. Then only we can able to find the dimension or dimension formula. Here acceleration means velocity by time. Velocity formula is displacement by time. Okay, divided by time is there, that becomes reverse 1 by time. And displacement is nothing but length interval, that is L, and here two time interval are there, that becomes T square. Okay, T square, and this T square can be shifted from denominator to numerator. Okay, that becomes T to the power minus 2. The total dimension is L T to the power minus 2 is the dimension of acceleration. Okay, next in the same way we are finding the dimensions of other physical quantity, that is volume. In volume, the formula is length, breadth and height. Okay, here length is directly we are taking the length, and breadth also measured in length and height also measured in length interval. It means there are three length intervals are there. The power is L cube is the dimension of volume. Next one is velocity. We have the formula displacement by time. Displacement is length interval L divided by time. Interchanging the time from denominator to numerator, that becomes t to the power minus 1. Okay. Finally L t to the power minus 1. Okay. Next one is momentum. We have the formula for momentum, that is it is a product of mass into velocity. Mass dimension is m and velocity dimension is, here I am directly using the dimension because we already found the dimension of velocity in previous one, that is L t to the power minus 1, or else you may find out the dimension of velocity step by step, that is displacement by time. In that way also you can find the combining these two dimensions, that becomes m to the power, if nothing is there, there must be a 1. Okay. M to the power 1, t to the L to the power 1, and t to the power minus 1. Okay, this is dimension of momentum. Next physical quantity is force. It is a product of mass and acceleration. Okay, mass dimension is m and acceleration dimension we already found that one, L t to the power minus 2, that becomes m L t to the power minus 2. Next one, work. Work is also physical quantity here. Force acting, force into displacement is the formula of work. Okay. Force acting on a body and that body covers certain displacement, means initial position to some other position, the body get displaced. For displacing the object we are doing the work on that body. Force into displacement. The force dimension is m L t to the power minus 2. Displacement is L. Combining the dimensions, that becomes m L square. Here L1 is there, again L1 is there, that becomes L square. 1 plus 1 2, and t to the power minus 2. Okay. The finally the dimension is m L square t to the power minus 2, the dimension of work. And next one is energy. Energy also physical quantity. The energy and work having the same dimension, that's why the dimension becomes same for both energy and work. Next one is power. Here the power means work by time. Already we have the dimension of work, that is m L square t to the power minus 2 by time t. Interchanging the time from denominator to numerator, that becomes t to the power minus 1. Here already we have the time power 2 in the numerator, and this power 1 comes to the numerator, that becomes minus 1. Then t to the power minus 3. Here we have the power. Next one is impulse. Okay. Impulse means force acting on a body for short interval of time. Okay, this is the concept, and the formula is force into time. Force dimension is there, I am directly using here m L t to the power minus 2 time t. Okay, and m L t, already we have the t to the power minus 2, and one more t plus 1, that becomes t to the power 1, higher value is minus, that is ml t to the power minus 1. Next one is pressure. The pressure formula is force acting per unit area. Okay, force dimension is mlt to the power minus 2. Area means L square. Interchanging L square to the numerator, that becomes M L, already 1 is there, and again that becomes minus 2 L square, and T to the power minus 2, that becomes M L, value is minus 1, higher value is minus T to the power minus 2. Okay, M L to the power minus 1, T to the power minus 2 is the dimension of pressure. Okay, in the same way you can find the dimensions of any other physical quantity. For finding the dimension formula, you must know about the that quantity, nature of that quantity, and the what are the things coming under that quantity. Means for finding the area, you must imagine that there are two length intervals. For finding the volume, there are three length intervals. Okay, these are the main physical quantities. You can also find the physical quantity of other, okay, dimension of other physical quantity. Remaining concept I will discuss in next video. Thank you.